everyone, ladies and gentlemen, my teacher wasn't shorter, so I go to Cambias Resort. Also, YouTube channel, account, MC Basket. My name is Margalan Basket, so I'm gonna wait for other first mates to who will join the Santo Domingo for our 25th anniversary. So I mean channel, so while I'm waiting, I'm going to eat my hot dog that I bought at 7-Eleven. Even though it had a technical brownout, still I still buy. Then watch my videos about it, the upcoming event. Now I am going to this kind of bus here. This hot dog is so delicious. The Hungarian. So Godspeed on our journey. So it started. We'll go on a trip. So we are finally here at the Cambias Resort. Cambias Resort. I finally made it. I am finally here walking here at Cambias Resort. So I'm starting to chill and get some fresh air. And I'm going to register for this and thank God I'm still alive for this day, for this Sunday morning. So let's prioritize God. It is really a beautiful place. So it is also affordable. Nice nature. That's a It is really a beautiful place, especially the swimming pool. So it is also affordable. It's a nice nature. That's a This is the inside. It's amazing dining hall. It's so neat. It was for Brother Black for our anniversary and our meeting area. Starting the practice. So I am inside the hall. So for today, I gonna refresh and watch the upcoming events later on for this. The theme is Unspeakable Joy on this 25th anniversary of our Bread of Life. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Showstar or MC Basket on that account. Finally eat at lunch time and help my mother do the chores there. So I'm just going to rest here for a while until I go home. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Showstar or MC Basket, and have a blessed day ahead.